If you need to schedule unavailability, you can scroll to the top and press the day of the week that you are unavailable, and select the time that you wish to have. Reminder that this time starts at midnight, so if you don't want classes from noon until 2 o'clock, you would select 12 under PM and go to 2 and press close. Scroll back down and press the build button to add this to your options. You may also sort by the sort type listed at the top of the calendar. Select a sort type will provide you with options of start times and most or least dates scheduled. Select the one that is most appealing to you. If you find a selection and you want to know more information about it, you can click the blue box in the schedule builder. You can press View Class Details. This will load a page that shows you class information like available seats and a description of the class. Once you are done looking at this information, click the blue hyperlink Return to Schedule Builder. If this is a section you would like to take, you can press the green pin button to pin it to your schedule. You can press the white arrow on the side of the blue bar to cycle through the different options that you have.